Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Higgsfield AI in Premiere Pro. First, download the Higgsfield plugin and a ZXP installer, since Windows cannot install ZXP files directly. Use the installer to add the plugin, then open Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to Window, hover over Extensions, and select Higgsfield. You may need to sign in before using the tools. Once the panel opens, you will see several AI tools that you can use directly inside Premiere Pro. Draw to Video lets you mark specific objects in the video, and you can ask AI to remove or change anything in the image you want to remove or change. Video Generation allows you to create videos from text prompts and reference videos. Motion Control helps you copy motion from one video and apply it to another. The Edit Video tool can clean up footage, reframe shots, and upscale videos. Reframe changes the aspect ratio of your videos for different platforms. Remove BG removes video backgrounds automatically. Upscale improves video quality and increases resolution. Image Generation creates images from text prompts and reference images. Audio Generation creates audio from prompts or uploaded audio files. Inside the Video Generation section, you can enter prompts, upload reference videos, choose an AI model, select 16, 9 or 9:16 ratios, and set a maximum duration of 15 seconds. You can also choose 1080p or 4K quality, and clicking the arrow next to it shows how many credits will be used. Thanks for watching.